Mongolian cuisine is a reflection of the country's nomadic lifestyle and harsh climate. Mongolian food is hearty and filling, with an emphasis on meat, dairy, and grains. Many Mongolian dishes are also cooked over an open fire or in a cast iron pot, giving them a unique smoky flavor. Let's take a closer look at some of the special foods in Mongolian cuisine. Buz is a traditional Mongolian steamed dumpling that is filled with minced meat, usually beef or mutton, and vegetables such as onion and garlic. Buz is a traditional Mongolian steamed dumpling that is filled with minced meat, usually beef or mutton, and vegetables such as onion and garlic. It is a popular food throughout Mongolia and is often served during celebrations such as Nadam, Mongolia's annual festival. Kwashur is another popular Mongolian food that is similar to buz, but it is fried instead of steamed. It is made with a similar filling of minced meat and vegetables and has a crispy, savory crust. Kurkhog is a Mongolian barbecue that is cooked in a cast iron pot with hot stones. It is made with mutton or goat meat, potatoes, carrots, and onions, and is seasoned with salt and sometimes other spices. The pot is covered with a lid and heated over an open fire, creating a smoky and flavorful dish. Bantan is a soup made with milk and rice. It is a warming and comforting dish, especially during the cold Mongolian winters. Bantan is often served with small pieces of dried meat and sometimes with chopped vegetables. Suivin is a Mongolian stir-fry dish made with meat, vegetables, and noodles. The dish is usually made with mutton or beef, and the vegetables used can vary depending on the season. The noodles used in suivin are thick and are made from wheat flour. Arag is a traditional Mongolian drink that is made from fermented mare's milk. It is a slightly sour and fizzy drink that is often served during celebrations and festivals. These are just a few examples of the many delicious and unique foods in Mongolian cuisine. Mongolian food may not be as well known as some other Asian cuisines, but it is definitely worth trying for anyone looking to experience a taste of Mongolia's rich cultural heritage. Mongolian food may not be as well known as some other Asian cuisines, but it is definitely worth trying for anyone looking to experience a taste of Mongolia's rich cultural heritage. Mongolian cuisine is special because it reflects the country's nomadic lifestyle and the harsh climate that Mongolians have had to adapt to. Many Mongolian dishes are made with meat, dairy, and grains, which are all readily available in the country's vast grasslands. The emphasis on cooking over an open fire or in a cast iron pot gives Mongolian food a unique smoky flavor that is unlike any other cuisine. In addition,